I'm done taking a bath. Nag-toner na rin ako. And mag-sunscreen ako. And this sunscreen is parang ginawa ko na rin siyang moisturizer during the day. Remember the last time I've shared here on my TikTok and I think sa YouTube channel ko, na-share ko rin, this Fresh Skin Lab Blueberry Acai Retinol Advanced Wrinkle Repair Soothing Gel Lotion with 7 types of anti-aging ingredients with SPF. This one, pwedeng gamitin day and night. So, ginamit ko siya for the whole month, pero sa katawan lang during the night. And specifically, sa parts ng aking katawan na may mga stretch marks and also yung may mga cellulites sa kubas, yung mga saging part ng aking body. So, dun ko siya finocus na gamitin. But we can also apply this in our body during daytime as retinol lotion na may sun protection, which has SPF 30, PA 4+. Sa napansin ko, nakaka-smooth siya, guys. And somehow, it gives that extra firmness on my skin, lalo na dun sa mga saging part. But kung whitening benefit or brightening, hindi ko masasabi kasi ginagamit ko lang siya during the night and hindi lahat ng part ng body ko ina-applyan ko nito. But I have another product from Fresh Skin Lab as well. Also a Retinol Advanced Wrinkle Repair. But this time, lotion type siya. Serum lotions siya. And pwede na siya for face and body. Retinol Advanced Wrinkle Repair Super Serum Lotion with Terra Youth Complex. Made with 7 types of anti-aging ingredient. Number 1 is 100 times vitamin A. Vitamin A is retinol pala. Time-release retinol. Ceramide, peptides, squalane, CoQ10, collagen, and vitamin E. All good for the skin. And as we all know, and if you don't know yet, retinol is one of the gold standard ingredient when it comes to skincare. Pwedeng mag-alternative ng Bakuchiol kung sensitive ka sa retinol or beginner ka sa retinol. Or ceramide is also a good alternative because it can help improve skin barrier or repair skin barrier. And with this one, meron din siyang ceramide, collagen. Alam nyo na yan, guys. I know naririnig nyo na yan dito sa TikTok or other social media platforms if you are a skincare enthusiast just like me. Ang maganda with this super serum lotion, unlike this one, the soothing gel lotion, ito pwede for the face and body, and also mas mataas din ang SPF niya. It has SPF 60 PA 4+. Aside from broad spectrum protection siya, it has that protection from blue light. So, blue light coming from our gadget, cell phone, tablet, laptop, TV, and also pollution protection. So, halos kompleto na siya. Just like yung mga napakita kong mga lotions that I have right here in the previous videos. While using this product, napansin ko na may instant brightening effect siya. May konting white cast, but if you blend it pa evenly, mawawala din siya. And because it is a serum lotion, hindi siya thick, kagaya ng soothing gel. Diba? Parang maputi. But, pag na-blend out na natin siya evenly, yung iba, yung sobra guys, nilagay ko na lang sa arms ko. Ito yung maganda sa mga products na good for face and body. Kasi, if you are someone na nagtitipid, pwedeng isa na lang bilhin mo, diba? See that, guys? Meron siyang instant tone-up effect. Hindi malagkit. But if you are oily skin, baka malagkit pa rin sa inyo, especially now that it's too hot. But for me, combination skin ako, oily ako on the T-zone, and this part dito naman, normal lang. Okay naman. Hindi naman ako naka-experience ng any stickiness, and it absorbs fast. Ayan. Merong shine effect dyan. Nang konti lang naman. Hindi naman masyadong bright. Ayan. Meron siyang luminous effect on the skin. Ito matte. Tignan, ito medyo may konting glow. Mas lightweight din to kaysa sa soothing gel na Retinol Advance. So, if you're someone who likes the serum lotion type, this one is a good alternative. And also, if you're aging skin, okay din to. Actually, to be honest, takot akong mag-apply ng Retinol in the morning because I have this feeling na magiging sun-sensitive ka kasi pag nag-retinol ka. But with these two products, because it has the time-release retinol technology, it makes you not sensitive to the sun. Or it makes the retinol not irritating on the skin while under the sun.
Encapsulated retinol kasi, it is much more stable when applied on the skin. And with time-release technology, mas fast ang absorption on the skin and fast din ang effect on the skin, which makes it more stable, less irritating, and not sun-sensitive.
But it does not mean na pwede ka magpabilad sa araw while using this one. Kahit naka-sunscreen tayo guys, wag pa rin tayong magbilad sa araw. Or if ever na kailangan natin magbilad sa araw, we do protect our skin. We wear protective layers, sleeves, caps, shades, or umbrellas, whichever you like. Pwede rin. But, there's one thing na hindi ko masyadong feel with this product. This bottle pala contains 180 ml. At dahil 180 ml lang siya, parang medyo nalalakihan ako, guys, sa bottle niya. This another product from Fresh Skin Lab is also 180 ml. Magkasing laki lang naman sila. But eto, parang shampoo ang dating, 'di ba? Pinagamit ko sa husband ko actually, guys. Kasi marami na akong lotion dito. It's not nice naman na ako lang, no? So eto pinapagamit ko sa kids ko. Eto naman sa husband ko. So far, okay siya. Kasi hindi daw maputi masyado tignan ng mukha niya. Kasi meron ako mga pinapagamit sa kanyang creams dito. Parang ang puti tignan. Eh, syempre lalaki, nako-conscious din yan sila. So, nagustuhan niya rin to. But, again, yung butt ko with this one, sana hindi ganito yung packaging. Kasi medyo mahirap pag ina-apply mo as sunscreen sa face. Sa body, okay lang. I wish na sana ganito lang din yung packaging niya. Yung tube type. Face sunscreen, mas maganda pag ganitong type ng packaging, yung pump, or with this one, or yung meron pang isang magandang tip when it comes to tube type packaging, yung mga ganito. Kasi pag nagsa-sunscreen ka, ganun mo lang. Tube, mga ganitong type ng packaging, tube type, tapos ganito yung tip, yung gusto kong packaging when it comes to facial sunscreen. Pag lotion, okay na ako sa mga ganito. And when we travel or merong kailangang puntahan na hindi naman ganun kalayo, mas okay ako sa mga packagings na ganito. Kasi, as you can see, pwede mo siyang ma-flatten at masisiksik mo siya sa bag or sa car, siksik mo lang somewhere. Kasi pag mga ganito, bulky na siya. Again, if you're aging skin, if you want that firming effect on your skin, youthful, glowing skin, retinol, myceramide, and other skin-caring ingredients na good for aging skin, just like me, 30 plus pataas, this one is a really good alternative. Pwedeng ito sa gabi at ito naman sa morning, at very economical because face and body na. Lalo na with this super serum lotion. I'm sorry guys, medyo nabubulol-bulol ako pag nagbabasa ng mga mahahabang pangalan ng skincare. Bakit ba nagpapahabaan kayo ng pangalan ng skincare? Pati SPF, nagpapataasan kayo. Guys, kahit SPF 30, pwede na.